ahead and start sitting in a cross-legged position and wiggle around as much as you need to get grounded. And when you're grounded, find stillness. Extend your arms over your legs, thumb touching the nail of the index finger, Dhyana Mudra, allowing your energy to circulate within your own body. Separate your teeth. Gently close your eyes. And just take a moment to settle in. Become aware of where you are, in your home, perhaps on your yoga mat. Become aware that your practice is beginning right now. So we're going to do 30 minutes of a Hatha practice, just moving through the body, and then 30 minutes of a Yoga Nidra meditation, a deep, restorative relaxation. You feel the breath flowing in and out only through the nose. And as you inhale, mentally state the mantra so. And as you exhale, mentally state the mantra hum. So as you inhale, hum as you exhale. Simply meaning I am that. And bring your palms flat onto your legs. As you inhale, reach your chin over your right knee. Keep inhaling forward and over to the left, and exhale, round the spine back. So inhaling forward and around, exhaling back. These are called Sufi Rolls. Just opening through the hips, releasing the lower back. Maybe adding the neck as well. Maybe chin to the chest when you reach forward. Chin to the sky when you reach back. Whatever feels good in your body. Hands pressing on the thighs to get even deeper of a massage through the internal organs. Teeth are separated. And continue with the mantra. So as you inhale, as you exhale, with every breath going inward even more. So the Scorpio energy, and the Scorpio is a water element sign that's in the water element. However, it is fixed water. So rather than an ocean energy, it's more like a rushing stream, a very focused energy. And Scorpio is not an energy that will swim in shallow waters. It penetrates deep to the root of anything going on. It likes to explore in a very focused way. And slowly come back to center, change the crossing of your legs, and then inhale over the left knee, then the right, just switching the directions, exhaling back. The full moon is when the moon is opposite the sun in the sky. So the full moon always occurs 6 signs away from where the sun is right now. We have the sun in the sign of Taurus. And so directly across from it and opposite it is Scorpio. So the sun shines a light on all of the Scorpio qualities. And at the full moon, it is when the moon is most visible in the sky, and therefore our emotional state is more visible as well. Our bodies are made up of mainly water, and that term sea of emotions is really relevant to the full moon. A few more circles. If we really delve into it, it depends where Scorpio is on our chart and our 12 houses. And it gives us more of a life theme of what is going on. But whatever emotions are arising, we're shining a light on it. And with the Scorpio full moon, we have an opportunity to release, especially now that we're in this period of isolation, given even more of an opportunity to delve inward. And slowly come back to center. Sit up tall for a moment. So as you inhale, calm as you exhale. Bring your legs wide into a straddle position in however wide it feels good in your body. Point the toes up. Interlace your hands in front of you. And inhale, reach to the right, forward and around. Exhaling back. So inhaling forward and around, exhaling back. With every breath going deeper and deeper. So Scorpio is also considered to be the sorceress or the sorcerer. So imagine having this big cauldron in front of you. And you are making this potion of whatever your intention is. Perhaps something you want to experience in your life. Perhaps it's more peace. Because this time in isolation, many emotions have surfaced or resurfaced for us all. And perhaps this full moon, the Scorpio full moon especially, is shining a light on maybe even the contrast of what we no longer want in our life. If there's an emotion that keeps surfacing and it's something we no longer want, we think, what is the opposite of that? If anxiety has been coming up, perhaps our intention for this big stew we're stirring up is that of peace. And seamlessly the other direction. Inhaling forward, exhaling back. So as you inhale, calm as you exhale. With every breath, going deeper. This is an exercise we did quite a bit at the ashram, and this whole time in isolation, especially these past few weeks, have brought up so many memories. It was a 3-month Kriya yoga course I attended back in 2002, and 33 days, the middle 33 days were silent, no talking, reading, or writing. And this time in isolation has reminded me so much of it. But there we were not given any escapist tendencies. No sugar. I think we had a banana once the entire 3 months we were there. But we were given the tools, the meditation, the yoga. One more full deep breath. And slowly come up. And bring your legs together, shake them out. Quickly going to demonstrate Shakti Bandha, and then I'm going to talk you through it. So in a moment, sitting on your heels, if that's too much, you can come up to kneeling. With the hands interlaced behind the back, or if you have a strap or something you can grab onto, you can do that as well. In a moment, you'll exhale everything out. When you do inhale, forehead to the ground, and the arms reach side to side, putting the breath the whole time. When we come back up, hands on the thighs, and we'll exhale here. So I'll talk you through it. Go ahead and interlace your hands behind your back. Exhale everything out. Take a deep breath in, hold the breath in, fold forward, forehead to the ground. You can lift the hips as much as you need to, and reach the arms side to side. Holding the breath the whole time. Still holding the breath. Bring the arms back to center. Come all the way up. Hands on the thighs, and exhale here. And then just pause, gazing at the ground, something not moving in front of you. So as you inhale, as you exhale, with every breath, with the mantra going deeper and deeper inward. Shakti Bandha is a kriya, and Shakti is very simply translates to expansive energy. Bandha means lock. So we're generating energy and locking it in. One more time. Interlace your hands the awkward way behind you. Exhale everything out. Take a deep breath in. Hold the breath in. Forehead to the ground. And reach the arms side to side. Head is steady. Arms reaching to the side. Holding the breath the whole time. When you need to exhale, give yourself enough time with the arms to center first, coming all the way up, hands on the thighs, and then you exhale in your own time. So as you inhale, as you exhale, again, just simply meaning, I am that. And come to all fours. Spread your fingers wide apart. Tuck your toes under so the heels are lifted. As you inhale, melt the heart, hug the outer arms in, broaden the collarbones. Exhale, round the spine, bow the head, look all the way at the navel. Inhale, melt the heart, initiate from the tailbone. And exhale, just one exhalation, lift the hips, downward dog. Then come right back to your knees. Inhale, melt the heart. Exhale, round the spine and calf. Inhale, melt the heart for cow. Exhale, downward facing dog. One more time. Inhale to cow. Broaden the collarbones, but hug the outer arms in for support. Exhale, round, pull the navel in. Inhale, melt the heart. Exhale, downward facing dog. And go ahead and walk your feet towards your hands. Feet hip distance apart, soft bend in the knees. Grab your elbows, dangle forward. And if it feels good, maybe even rock gently side to side. Stay with the mantra. So as you inhale, as you exhale. And perhaps visualize a crown of the head opening up like a cranial dump. Releasing anything that has come to the surface that you no longer need. Any old patterns, old beliefs. One beautiful thing about the Scorpio full moon is really giving us an opportunity to go inward and take inventory. Go ahead and switch, grab the opposite elbow. So we take inventory when we're in this time in isolation. We really prioritize what is important. And we can visualize the crown of the head opening up and releasing all of the shoulds or all of the things that are just occupying too much mind space or too much energy or time in our lives. Go ahead and release. Keep the knees soft. Inhale, come all the way up. Sweep the arms up and overhead. And as you exhale, bring your hands to your heart. So as you inhale, as you exhale. Steeple mudras, when we interlace the hands, index fingers release. I'm showing you here because I don't think you'll see it with my arms above my head. So do this action, bring your arms all the way up. Hug the outer arms behind the ears, root through the feet. Inhale, lift from the waist all the way through the index fingers. Exhale, reach up and over to your right and bend deeply, massaging and cleansing your liver. Inhale, up, lift through your waist. Exhale, up and over to the left, helping to boost the immune system. Inhale, center, root through the feet. Exhale, reach up and over to the right, go a little deeper. Inhale up. Exhale to the left, massaging the spleen a bit, go a little deeper. Inhale, one more time each side. Exhale to the right, go even deeper, as deep as you can. Stay rooted through both feet. Inhale to center, and exhale all the way to your left. Inhale all the way up, lift through the waist. And exhale, gently sweep the arms all the way down. Bring the hands to the heart, bow inward. So as you inhale, calm as you exhale. And as you're here, perhaps make an intention. What are you willing to release? What old parts of you, old patterns, old beliefs that are outdated are you willing to shed so there can be a rebirthing that occurs, a spreading of your wings? Because that's exactly what's going to happen when we come out of this cocoon, this chrysalis state that we're in. Go ahead and come to the top of the mat for moon salutations. We'll do one round. Inhale, reach your arms forward and up, stay rooted through the feet, lift through the waist, and exhale, fold all the way forward, soft bend in the knees. Inhale, take the left leg as far back as you can. Exhale, lower the knee down. Keep the hips low. Inhale, sweep the arms up, steeple mudra. Now lift through the waist and just pull the heads of the shoulders back so there's no over compression of the lower back. Holding for an extra breath. Dragon pose is also one variation of Ardha Chandrasana. Half moon pose. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, circle the arms all the way down. Keep the hips low. Inhale, lift the back knee. Exhale, downward facing dog. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, lower to the knees and shift forward, chin and chest, crocodile, elbows in close. Inhale, slither into cobra. Press through the tops of the feet, hug the ankles in, squeeze the elbows in, heads of the shoulders back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, step the left foot between the hands. Exhale, lower the right knee down. Now keep the hips low, lift through the waist. Inhale again. Steeple mudra through the hands. Hips low, pull back through the sides of the waist, lift through the torso and pull the heads of the shoulders back. Deep breath in. Exhale, circle the arms all the way down. Keeping the hips low, inhale, lift the back knee. Exhale, step the right foot to the top of your mat. Stay rooted. Inhale to rise, soft bend in the knees. Exhale to your heart. That's half of one round. Inhale, reaching up, lift through the waist. Exhale, fold all the way forward. Inhale, step the right leg back. Exhale, lower the knee. Inhale, reach up through the waist, steeple mudra through the hands. Exhale, circle all the way down. Inhale, lift the back knee. Exhale, downward dog. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, crocodile over the knees. Chin and chest down. Inhale, slither into Bhujangasana, cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, right foot forward. Exhale, left knee down. Inhale, reach up, steeple mudra, lift through the waist. Exhale, circle all the way down. Inhale, lift the back knee. Exhale to the top of the mat, stay rooted. Inhale to rise. Exhale to the heart. So as you inhale, calm as you exhale. Just feel the breath. Feel how Chandra Namaskara, that moon salutation, opens the entire body. And for just a moment, feel the stillness in the body and feel the energy contained in the stillness. It's so important to contain this energy because it then can be utilized at will. Now go ahead and step wide apart on your mat. Wrists directly over the ankles. You can step a little closer if you wish. Then I'm just going to mirror you. Turn the right toes out. Feel like your feet are squeezing in and together. Let's bring the hands to the hips. The right hand, press the right hip crease toward the left heel. As you exhale, scoop the gluteal buttock muscles down. And then slide the right hand to the right shin. If you have a block, you're welcome to place it behind your right ankle. And reach the left arm up. Now pull back through the right head of the shoulder. And allow that left frontal hip point to reach a little forward and just open through the torso, keeping the right head of the shoulder back. You may gaze up, you may gaze down, or my favorite variation is to let the right ear hang in its own weight and reach the left hand like you're pressing against an imaginary wall to get released on the trapezius area. So as you inhale, as you exhale, now feel like your feet are squeezing in and together, like you're trying to make an accordion out of your mat so that you're not locking out the right leg. Now gaze down, root through the feet, inhale, come up. And exhale, hands to the hips, right toes pointing slightly in, left toes pointing out. Again, squeeze the feet in and together. With the left hand, pull the left hip crease back toward the right heel, squeeze gluteal muscles down, and just slide the left hand to the left shin. As a reminder to press the shin bone a little bit into the hand so the knee doesn't lock out. Then reach the right arm up, pull both shoulders back. Notice when you spin the heart open, the bottom shoulder wants to go forward. Pull it back as if both shoulders could rest on a wall behind you. Maybe gaze up, maybe gaze down. Perhaps left ear hanging in its own weight, whatever you did on side one. And if the ear is hanging in its own weight, take the right hand like you're pressing against an imaginary wall. And just breathe here in with Utthita Trikonasana, triangle pose. So as you inhale, hum as you exhale. Slow down the breath even more. Going inward, experiencing everything that comes to the surface, and making a decision. Is this something I want to hold on to? Or am I willing to release it? Gaze down, come all the way up. Turn your feet forward. Inhale, reach your arms up, lift through the waist, soft bend in the knees, come to the tips of the fingers like you're playing the piano and crawl the hands forward like a wide leg downward dog. Now press the inner thighs back, scoop the gluteal muscles down and crawl the hands even further forward. Let the neck relax. So as you inhale, hum as you exhale. Now take your right hand, thread it under your left underarm and reach for the left shin or thigh. And then pull yourself through like you're looking under your left underarm. Inner thighs press back, gluteal muscles scoop down, and just breathe here. So as you inhale, as you exhale. One more breath here. Inhale, unwind. And thread your left arm under the right arm now. Grab the shin or the thigh, pull yourself through. Stay with the mantra of the breath. So as you inhale, as you exhale. I am that. All of the old, unnecessary layers fade away. Slowly unwind, walk your hands in And if it's okay on your knees, lower to your knees for frog pose. Knees wide, toes to the side so that the ankles, knees, and hips all form a 90-degree angle, and then lower to your elbows. If this is not appropriate for your body, if it doesn't feel good in your body, you can come onto your back maybe and happy baby pose. It's basically the same pose upside down. So honor what you need. However, if it's okay on the knees and you just feel what we call in yoga sensations, perhaps breathe through them in frog pose. So as you inhale, as you exhale. Wherever you are, begin to scan your body. Notice where any sensations are arising. Keep your shoulders relaxed. They're not needed here. No tension is needed in your shoulders. So wherever you feel the sensations, most likely in the hips. If you feel sensations in the knees, change poses. Go into your hips and begin to breathe into where you feel the sensations. And go in energetically and notice if there is anything there that looks like a weed or a tree or a cord, and begin pulling and pulling and pulling. Rather than just cutting the cords, pull and pull and pull until the root is removed. That's what this Scorpio full moon is about. It is about getting to the very root and releasing what is no longer serving us. Keep pulling and pulling and pulling until the root is exposed and removed. The Scorpio full moon, we no longer allow the elephant in the middle of the room. It is about getting to the core of it. Having the uncomfortable discussions, having the uncomfortable sensations, breathing into them until there is a sense of surrender and perhaps resolution. One more full deep breath. And slowly coming up. Make your way flat onto your belly. And your choice. Either interlace your hands behind your back and press through the tops of the feet, or I can do one of these, or bend the knees and reach back and grab your feet. So either Shalabhasana or Dhanurasana. If you're holding your feet, kick your feet into your hands. If you have your hands interlaced, root down through the tops of the feet and lift up. Wherever you are, stay with the mantra. So as you inhale, as you exhale. Do whatever feels good on the neck. You can keep head neutral. You can tuck your chin to your chest. Only if it feels good, maybe gazing up. Inhale, lift a little more. And exhale, gently lower down. Roll over onto your back. Bend your knees. Bring the right outer ankle over the left thigh. Flex the foot a lot. And with the right hand, press the thigh away from you. So as you inhale, as you exhale. Maybe you stay here. Maybe lifting the left foot with the right hand threading between the opening of the legs. Perhaps interlacing the hands behind your left thigh or on your left shin. Keep the back of the neck long. If the chin is lifting, perhaps put something under the head, or maybe you go back to the first variation. Wherever you are, stay in tune with the breath. So as you inhale, as you exhale. getting to the very core, the root of who you are. Beneath the labels, let the labels fade away. Allow the labels to die off. So as you inhale, as you exhale. Go ahead and release. Bring the right foot flat. Outer edge of the left ankle to the right thigh. Press the thigh away from you. Flex the left foot a lot. Perhaps you stay here. Or if you did the thread the needle variation on side one, lift your right foot. Thread the left hand between the opening of the legs. Grab behind your thigh or on the shin. And give extra attention to your neck, keeping the back of the neck long. Stay with the mantra of the breath.
3 keys.
Release
One thing.
anything that is no longer needed with every exhalation. So as you inhale, as you exhale. One more full deep breath here. Gently release. Hug your knees in. Rock gently side to side. Your choice. This will be our last pose. Either both knees bent or keep the right leg in and straighten the left leg out. If you do that, bring the left hand to the outside of the right thigh. Deep breath in and exhale. Twist the knee across the body and let the right arm just hang in its own weight. If it feels better, both knees bent. And then bring your left hand to the right outer thigh. Head can be centered. It can turn toward the extended right arm. Or it could even turn toward the bent knee or knees. Stay with the mantra of the breath. So as you inhale, as you exhale, twisting away anything that has come to the surface. The old ways of being, the old labels, the things that are just taking up too much time, space, or energy in our lives. Release, and then come back to center. Shift your hips a little to your left, either both knees or just the left knee. Twisting with the right hand resting on top of the left thigh. With every exhalation, intentionally, unapologetically, release what is no longer working in your life. So as you inhale, as you exhale. Slowly come back to center, hug both knees in, squeeze both legs in. And then if you'd like a bolster or blanket, depending where you are, go ahead and grab it as we prepare for Yoga Nidra meditation. I'm going to play the big crystal singing bowl for you today. Settle into stillness. Finding a position in which you can remain completely still and fully relaxed. few times through the meditation, you will hear me say, I am aware, I am conscious, I am experiencing Yoga Nidra meditation. And as I do, mentally repeat these words to yourself. So find a position in which you can remain completely still and fully relaxed the entire meditation. Sometimes you may hear my voice, and other times it may fade away. It's all part of the meditation. Feel the whole body lying completely still and fully relaxed on the ground. The whole body lying completely still and fully relaxed on the ground. No part of the body is suppressed. Everything is part of the meditation. Feel the breath. Without changing it, feel the breath flowing in and out, only through the nose. Tune in so much you feel the difference between the inhalation and the exhalation. Maybe a difference in temperature, or a sharpness and a softness. The difference between the inhalation and the exhalation. At the beginning and end of Yoga Nidra, you state your Sankalpa. Sankalpa is the Sanskrit word for resolution or intention. It is a seed you are planting in your mind. Stated in the present tense, in a positive way, as though it is happening right now. You are planting a seed in your mind, and it will, without a doubt, grow and manifest in your life. It is already happening. As I name each body part, mentally go to that area and experience it, moving from one body part to the next. Feel the thumb of the right hand, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm, back of the hand, the whole hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, right side of the chest, waist, hip, thigh, knee, back of the knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, sole, arch, ball of the foot, top of the foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Experience the left hand thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm, back of the hand, the whole hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, left side of the chest, waist, hip, thigh, knee, back of the knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, sole, arch, ball of the foot, top of the foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe. Feel both the soles of the feet, both soles of the feet, right buttock, left buttock, right side of the back, left side of the back, right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, the spinal cord, back of the head, back of the top of the head, forehead, right temple, left temple, right ear, left ear, right cheek, left cheek, right eyebrow, left eyebrow, the center between the two eyebrows, bridge of the nose, tip of the nose, upper lip, tongue, teeth, lower lip, chin, throat, center of the chest, abdomen, navel, all internal organs, right leg, left leg, right arm, left arm, right side of the body, left side of the body, the whole body. Feel the whole body. Awareness of the whole body. The whole body. The whole body. I am aware. I am conscious. I'm experiencing yoga nidra meditation. Feel the stillness in the body. Notice how it deepens even more as you become aware of it. The body is completely still, yet full of life. Notice how the stillness and the energy coexist harmoniously. The stillness and the energy deepening more and more. Radiant stillness, peaceful energy, deepening more and more. I am aware, I am conscious, I am experiencing yoga nidra meditation. See yourself walking down a staircase. With every step, relaxing more and more. Going down, down, down. Into the inner recesses of your subconscious mind. Going down, down, down. Relaxing more and more with every step. The bottom of the staircase, you arrive at a beautiful healing garden. You see a beautiful green patch of grass. You lie on the grass and you go even deeper into a relaxed yet aware state. As you lie on the grass, you feel the energy of guides, all positive, loving, caring energy around you. Angels, ancestors, radiant beings. And as you lie on the soil, you begin to feel an energetic healing occur. The guides, angels, ancestors, radiant beings begin pulling out any old cords of energy remaining in the body. You may hear whispers of guidance, next steps, things ready to be released. And without analyzing, you just feel the release of the old stories, the beliefs that were embedded to you but were never truly your own. Maybe embedded in you while you were in the womb or during childhood. Releasing old beliefs that you are not enough or that there is not enough time, energy, resources, love all lack fading away, so that all that is left is the truth of who you are. Feel the layers dissolving as you go deeper and deeper into a relaxed state. And as you lie on the grassy lawn, begin to feel the rays of the sun shining in through your navel, empowering you. And this radiant energy penetrating every cell of your being, reminding you the truth of who you are. Perfect, divine love, peace, joy, gratitude. And perhaps receiving a few more whispers of the truth of who you are, as the old beliefs and paradigms fade away, seeping into the soil like compost, fertilizing your seeds of intention. And the truth of who you are, now alive in every cell of your being, guiding every action and every word that you speak and that you take in. Hari Om Tat Sat. In just a moment, I will repeat Om Tat Sat 3 times. It is now time to repeat your Sankalpa, the intention you stated at the beginning of Yoga Nidra meditation, the beginning of this yogic aware sleep. State your Sankalpa at least 3 times, as though it is happening right now. Om Tat Sat. Om Tat Sat. Om Tat Sat. Before moving the body, become fully aware of where you are. Feel the earth beneath you and the space around you. Tune into your breath and begin to feel the space within. As you're ready, add some movement to your fingers and toes. Reach your arms above your head. Take a deep breath in the nose and out with a big sigh. As you're ready, bend your knees, roll off to one side. Slowly press yourself up to sitting without any haste. And when you do come up to sitting, remember your intention. Feel on a deep cellular level the truth of who you are. The sun, as the sun sets and the moon rises, it will still be big in the sky. Every time you see the moon, as it is now starting to wane, remember the truth of who you are. Just bring your hands to your heart and Anjali Mudra, Prayer Mudra. Thank you so much. Thank you for having me and thank you for being here. Namaste. My cat wants to say hello as well. So I'm so glad that you asked me to join you. Thank you. And yeah, I mean we're all in isolation anyway, so I think it's no big deal. We started a few minutes late.
Thank you, Jules. That was amazing.
Oh, thank you. Is that Heather?
Yes, sweetie. I love you. Thank you so much.
I love you too.
I'm
I
blessed.
can't wait to hear about your journeys.
I'll keep sharing, Mama. Thank you for your love. I love you so much. I'll talk to you soon.
Love you too. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Sorry about the rocky start, but I think it was wonderful.
Oh, don't worry. In my house, we're always like, no big deal. I just wanted to make sure with technology, I never know. I'm like, am I linking? Am I like?
Oh, I'm so glad.
Right,
I'm so glad you reached out and that it all worked out. And it was great to experience your teaching style too.
Thank
really
you.
Awesome. Now I know why Tracy loves you so much. I mean, for many other reasons too, I'm sure, but you're a healer, definitely.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a beautiful weekend.
You too. Thank you so much for having me.
Yes. Take care.
You too.
Bye-bye.
Bye.